Hello, it's Faststainvenom, and I'm going to be unboxing this Logitech keyboard. It's the Comfort Wave, and yeah, this is my first unboxing video, and yeah, we'll just see how good it is. Okay, let's just, I don't know. Oh gosh. I really don't know how I'm gonna do this. Okay. No, I know how I'm gonna do this. So. I don't know how to start. Wait, here we go. That wasn't that hard. Won't come off. There we go. Okay. So. No. Oh, here we go. So here it is. Man, it smells really good. Oh, actually, never mind. That really stinks. Ah, it smells awful. Hopefully, it'll get better. Yes, so here we go. It's pretty nice. Oh man, that smell. Ah. Yeah, it's pretty nice. So, yeah, that's probably gonna be the end of my video. It's pretty sick, huh? So, like, it has a little palm pad right here, or whatever. This pad, wrist, volume buttons, little media center up here, all the F keys, the space bar. It's really big, but I like it. It feels so good. It stinks again. Oh my word, that stinks so bad. I don't know why. It has a number pad, which is pretty nice. Yeah, so that's gonna be it for this video. Until next time, see you around. So, peace out, guys. Oh, and I forgot to mention, it's not like Bluetooth. It has a little USB dongle here. So yeah, I just wanted to mention that real quick. It has a little sticker right there. It shows like a light. Here, I'll see if I can focus. Yeah, it has a little light icon on the sticker. Don't know why. Also, there seems to be something in here. And there's like a user's manual. So what is this in here, I wonder? Oh, that's something. Okay. Let me... What the heck? What is this? Someone tell me what this is in the comments. I probably figure out, like, after this video's over. Okay, then. That's interesting. Yeah, that's totally normal. Okay, so this is actually peace out now, so bye guys. Dope keyboards.